This video is to introduce the characters for Chinese Made Easy Lesson 13. The first character is shuo. We've already practiced that before last year. Just remember it has the speech radical and then something that looks like Squidward with antlers. The next character is han for Chinese. It has the water radical because the Chinese culture, the Han culture, was established by the Yellow River. That's a way to remember that it has the water radical. And it has the right hand radical, which you can remember because the Han people of China, majority of them live on the right hand side of China. The next character is yu, language. We see it in Yingyu, Hanyu, Zhiyu. It has the speech radical and then a 5 and a mouth, which is useful because yu and wu sort of rhyme, and 5 mouths will all speak a different language. The next character is Guangdong Hua. Guangdong for canton or Guangdong, and Hua for speech. Guang we've seen before in the character for shelter. It's exactly the same. Dong for east, Guangdong. And then hua, which means speech or talk, has the tongue radical and the speech radical. The tongue radical, my student here illustrated. Here's another illustration of the tongue radical, where the box is the frog and it's sticking out its tongue to catch the dragonfly. The next character is pu, part of pu tong hua, Mandarin. Pu alone means general or universal. I think this character looks like a person. Right? So here I've crazily illustrated it. These 2 dots on top are his hair, and then these are his eyebrows or his eyes looking mean. In the middle is his nose, and in the box is his mouth. This character stares at me. Tong means common, part of pu tong hua, because it's the common speak. Tong, here my students illustrated it as one of those British telephone booths with the motion radical being the telephone with the wire.